Welcome to AI News. Source: The Decoder. OpenAI has launched a free ChatGPT for U.S. clinicians. Its new model, GPT-4.4, outperforms human doctors. On a new benchmark, the AI scored 59.0. Doctors with web access scored just 43.7. However, OpenAI created the benchmark its model won. In tests, 99.6% of AI responses were rated safe. The tool offers clinical search, templates, and CME credits. OpenAI says it aims to support, not replace, doctors. Source: The Decoder. OpenAI has launched its new agentic model, GPT-5.5 Turbo. It handles complex multi-tool tasks autonomously. The new model comes at double the API price. It dominates coding and math benchmarks over rivals. Long context performance also saw a significant jump. However, it trails Claude and Gemini on some tests. Real-world task performance showed only marginal gains. A more powerful GPT-5.5 Turbo Pro version is also available. Source: TechCrunch AI, The Verge AI, Bloomberg Technology. OpenAI has released its newest AI model, GPT-5.5.5. The company calls it their smartest and most intuitive model yet. It outperforms competitors like Google and Anthropic. The model has improved capabilities in coding and scientific research. It uses fewer tokens and has stronger safeguards. Co-founder Brockman called it more agentic computing. This is a step towards creating an OpenAI super app. Its launch precedes a major trial with Elon Musk. The trial involves executives Sam Altman and Brockman. GPT 5.5.5 is now available to paid ChatGPT users. In the global AI race, Tencent unveiled its Hunyun model. Part of the Hunyun platform, it is their most powerful yet. It is the first since a key hire from OpenAI. The model is in Tencent's chatbot, coding tool, and QQ. Source: The Decoder. World models are the next major evolution in AI. They predict events in the physical world. U.S. policymakers are repeating their ChatGPT mistake, warns Stanford's Russell Wald. Lawmakers are unaware of this new technology. Meanwhile, China is pulling ahead in robotics. These models need massive computing power and hardware. The U.S. risks a major supply chain bottleneck. New threats include surveillance and autonomous weapons. Source: Sifted. Elon Musk's xAI held partnership talks with Paris-based Mistral. The deal aimed to challenge rivals OpenAI and Anthropic. A three-way partnership with startup Cursor was also proposed. xAI's owner, SpaceX, is acquiring Cursor for $60 billion. Mistral is a top European AI startup valued at $11.6 billion. xAI develops the Grok chatbot and a massive supercomputer. A former Mistral founding member recently joined xAI's staff. Source: Superhuman AI. OpenAI launched shareable workspace agents that work 24/7. Users describe a job and ChatGPT builds the worker. Anthropic's unreleased model, Claude Mythos, was possibly hacked. Hackers allegedly accessed it through a third-party platform. Elon Musk's SpaceX may buy AI platform Cursor for $60 billion. The deal aims to create the world's best coding AI. Token maxing is a trend of burning AI tokens to seem productive. Critics argue it rewards consumption over business outcomes. Source: The Decoder. OpenAI and Microsoft are boosting their cyber partnership. OpenAI gives Microsoft its most capable security models. This is through the new Trusted Access program. Microsoft's cyber team will now protect OpenAI's systems. The move aligns with Microsoft's Secure Future initiative. This lands amid a debate on AI's cyber abilities. Anthropic claims its Mythos AI finds security flaws. Critics say open source models can do similar things. Source: The Decoder. OpenAI released Privacy Filter, an open-source data redaction tool. It detects 8 categories of sensitive personal data. The model helps teams clean large text volumes for AI training. This small 1.5B parameter model runs locally on laptops. It is available for free commercial use on GitHub. OpenAI warns it is not a legal anonymization guarantee. Performance drops with non-English text and uncommon names. Human review is recommended for sensitive fields like healthcare. Source: The Verge AI. Anthropic's Claude AI now connects to personal apps. Connectors include Spotify, Uber Eats, and TurboTax. Claude suggests relevant apps during your conversations. The feature is available now on all Claude plans. Anthropic says app data will not train its models. Users must confirm actions like purchases or reservations. There are no paid placements or sponsored answers. This competes with similar features in OpenAI's ChatGPT. Source: Bloomberg Technology. Anthropic's new AI model is named Mythos. It has sparked widespread fear and public alarm. The model finds and exploits software vulnerabilities. It threatens data, payment systems, and operating systems. This AI could make anyone a hacker. Trillions of dollars are potentially at stake. Some believe the model is too unsafe to deploy. Fears are growing about rapid AI advancement. However, the controversy greatly benefits Anthropic. The furor is driving its valuation toward $800 billion. Source is Bloomberg Technology. Source: The Verge AI. Hackers breached Anthropic's new AI model, Claude Mythos. Anthropic claimed the model was too dangerous for public release. The breach was unsophisticated, using a guess and insider knowledge. Hackers used info from a previous data breach at Mercer. Experts called the failure entirely imaginable and preventable. Anthropic failed to properly monitor access to the model. The hackers luckily did not use Mythos for malicious attacks. The incident is humiliating for the safety-focused AI company. Source: The Decoder. An Anthropic survey polled 81,000 personal Claude users. New capabilities, 48%, beats speed, 40% as the top benefit. This suggests AI unlocks new skills more than it saves time. The survey sample was biased, excluding all enterprise users. High and low income groups reported the largest productivity gains. Creatives, however, feel both limited and threatened by AI. Their job anxiety is high, even when AI helps them. Overall, 1 in 5 users expressed fears of job loss.